Not of English.
No, sir.
Not of English.
No, sir.
Okay. Today now we will go through English grammar. Basic concept of English grammar. Grammar commonly is very necessary. No. Fundamentally, if we prepare English grammar, then we become an intellectual, intelligent. How? Because grammar is the way that provides fulfillment in our language. What does the meaning of language? Students, what is the meaning of language? What is language? Yes, you speak it. What is language? Anyone? What is the language? Expression of our thoughts. Language is an expression of our thoughts. Whatever we think, we express in our words. We express in our words. For expressing our words and thoughts practically, fundamentally, we require accurate, correct knowledge of English grammar. Fundamentally, if you want to write, yes, please. Yes. If you want to write, if you want to describe, if you want to read, if you want to listen and speak a good English, then it needs proper knowledge of English grammar. I provide foundation course of English grammar. Bottom to top, school to university. Whatever I have observed, examined and evaluated in the education, why our scholars, our Indian scholars and learners are not so good in English language, it is their common problem. Why? Because of lack of English grammar, knowledge of English grammar. Very simply, how we can get the information, instruction, direction, position, condition, knowledge of any place, person and thing. What's day today?
Friday.
It's Friday today. Good. So, should we continue, sir? No? Thank you very much, sir. We read parts of speech fundamentally in English grammar. What is a noun? Yes, you speak please. What is a noun? Define noun. What kind of noun is your book? Simply you can define. What kind of noun is bag? Tell me. What kind of noun is sangria? Yes, it's the name of place. What kind of noun is it? How many kind of nouns are there in English? Basically, how many kinds of nouns are there in English? Yes, 5 kinds of nouns. Good. So, bag, what kind of noun is? Okay, so that is a kind of object. It's a kind of object. And what kind of noun is it? Is it common or common? It's common noun. Very good. So please, yes, you tell me what kind of noun is honesty? Yes. sisterhood, sisterhood, brotherhood. Is a noun. Yes, you tell me please. What kind of noun is sportsmanship? Yes. It is proper noun. Yes, you tell.
It is abstract noun.
It is an abstract noun. Now, explain how is it abstract noun, please. Tell me.
Because inside it there is feeling.
Because again, please.
We cannot.
You cannot. That we cannot touch. That we cannot transfer. Huh? So only we can feel, and we can observe, examine, think. That kind of nouns are known as abstract kind of noun. Which is noun? Yes. Anyone out of you could you explain collective noun? What is collective noun? Yes. Any student, please. Collective noun. Anyone out of you? Collective noun. Class. What kind of noun is class?
Collective noun.
It is a
Collective noun.
it is a collective noun. Why? How?
There is group of students.
Because
There is group of students.
a group of students is called a class. What is a team?
Group of team members.
A group of
Team
players. A group of players is team. So that is also a kind of
Collective noun.
collective noun. Very good. So these fundamentals are required us for enforcing our language, our linguistics. In all the grammatical books you read, there are different kinds of nouns. Differently these are described in your books. So can you speak 10 lines on your bag that you have in your hand? Yes, please, student. You tell me 10 lines on your bag. Define your bag. Is it now? Yes, anyone? Yes, we will speak this. Well done. Please sit down. Very simply you can define it. What kind of driver of sentence we are to use for describing the objectives? First of all, we have to keep this thing in our mind. What kind of driver of the sentence? For the man, if we are to describe any man, then we use their personal pronoun. No? Do we know this thing? We use personal pronoun. And for non-living things and for describing the objects, animals, birds, plants, whatsoever we have around us, if we are to describe them, then we are to use it for describing the thing. Very simply you can describe. So speak about these 10 lines about bag. Simply if I ask you have lost your bag and you have to find it, how will you report it? How will you give your information about this bag? How will you tell? How will you explain it? Please, now you have to keep in your mind one thing, that color is the first step of the observation. What kind of color of your bag has? What is its size, shape, figure, use? No, there are so many features your bag has, and easily you can define that. If you are to define your role model, how can you define your role model? Yes, you last. Yes, you tell me please. Yes. Who is your role model? model? Simply you can imagine, no doubt. Yourself for it. You yourself is role model. You can say this now. You are just to imagine